Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new BMW 8 Series Coupe, it's a real beauty. The 8 is not only begins a new chapter in our history of making sensational sports cars, it also signifies the start of our expansion into the upper luxury segment. With this car, we did something we've never done before. We built it for the racetrack and then put it on the road. You might have seen it in action in Le Mans. It's quick with incredibly precise handling. Our customers will enjoy every second behind the wheel. This combination of racetrack performance with genuine luxury delivers an unbeatable experience. The 8 also heralds the new design language that will influence BMW's entire lineup. Very modern, very clean. And as our new flagship luxury coupe, the craftsmanship and fine details in this car are second to none. Our 8 Series customers expect the very best and have clear individual tastes, and that's why BMW Individual will be available from the very start when the car is launched in November. It also has our most advanced digital user interface, and our customers will experience a new level of personalization similar to that of the latest smartphones. The coupe will be followed by the convertible and Grand Coupe in 2019, and there is great news for all M fans because all of these will be offered as M models.